Hello, I'm Joseph Quijano, Certified Financial Planner, and I want to welcome you to this very timely video. Today's economy is really volatile. This pandemic has affected the entire global markets, and I don't know what's going to happen, but I can tell you one thing: people are concerned, very concerned about losing their money. They're losing their retirement. They want to have safety. And this is the reason why I like to give you the opportunity to read my books that will outline formulas to keep your money safe, to keep your money away from the stock market, to eliminate all risk, and make sure that you're going to retire with peace and certainty in this very uncertain times. For example, in this book, The Why Factor, it will give you information to find your inner motivation for you to get ahead financially. And secondly, it will give you formulas to help you pay yourselves first. On the second book, entitled Become the Banker, it's going to help you understand how to save your money away from the banks. Because right now people are losing. They're losing a total of 36% of every dollar they make in finance charges. So we're going to show you how you can finance your own purchases and make the money that the banks are making off of you. Now, this has been so popular that we wrote a sequel to that. It's called Become the Banker 2. And within the pages of this book, it will show you additional formulas, not only about becoming your own banker, but actually how to set goals financially. Not only short-term goals, but intermediate goals and advanced retirement goals so you can actually reach your financial dreams. And the fourth and final book is entitled Smart Money Moves. Now, this book goes into a lot of detail regarding all the smart money moves that you need to make in today's economic storm so you can be guaranteed that you're going to have a retirement paycheck. Listen to this carefully: retirement paycheck for the rest of your life, no matter how old you live. It's like a pension. So to order my books, it's only $59.95. You can click the link below or just go to my website entitled becomethebanker.org, or just give us a call. Do it now. Do it now and be certain that you will be assured a great retirement with no risk.